Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar, Paulo Londra. It's been here before many times, and this is for you Spanish-speaking people. We have a song called Paracadas. I think that is translated into parachute, and that is how far I came when it comes to this song and to understand what he's singing about. But anyway, a nice song to learn, and it goes really well with the guitar, this kind of song. So we're gonna look at this one. We have no need for any capo here, so we're going clean, no capo, and we're gonna look at the chords first. We have 3 different chords. We're gonna start with D. Okay, so that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have E next, and that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. And then finally we have the F sharp minor. And that's a bar chord where you play the bar over all strings on the 2nd fret, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. So the chord progression will be D, E, F sharp, and back to E. We'll come to that, how to handle it. First, we have this intro, and it's also played throughout the song here and there. And yeah, we're gonna look at the notes for it. If you want it, then yeah, we're gonna take it right now. So it goes like this for D. So that is open D, second G, second E, high E string, and back to second G. That is the D part. Then comes the E part. It goes like this. Open, high E. Then second G, first G, and back to second G. And then we have the F sharp minor part. It goes like this. So second E string in the bass, 4th A, first G, and then open A. And then we have the final part that is based upon the E chord, and you can actually hold the E as it is and play. It's just down from the bass and down. So it will be open E string in the bass, second A, second D, and first G. There you have the melody if you want to. So it goes like this, a little bit slower. All right, so there you have it, and now we're gonna look at the string pattern, and it's very similar like many of these other songs which will have this rhythm going on. So we're gonna look at with the D chord. That's the first chord we're gonna handle. So grab the D, and one string around will be down, down, up, clap, down. All right, so down, down, up, clap, down. Couple of rounds to get the feeling for the rhythm. All right, but you're not gonna stick with D all the time, so you're gonna change chords, and you're gonna play one of these string patterns per chord with the order D, E, F sharp, and back to E. It goes like that through the entire song. So one round per chord. And that's how I handle Paulo Londra's Paracadas, parachutes. All right, so I'm learning more and more of these songs. Adds up a couple of words here and there in Spanish, and I'm getting there. So bear with me, guys. Hope you liked it, and if you did, give me some support, and hope to see you here very soon again. Till next time, play tuned.